Now let us go to the quick tour of the PHP. It's nothing but, as I said, PHP is a programming language. Again, it is going to have, similarly to your JavaScript, all your programming concepts, variables, okay, constructors, all these things are going to be there. Okay. Conditional statements, looping statements, all these things are similar. Okay, so let us see those things and we'll execute these PHP programs. So PHP is like similar to JavaScript. It's dynamically typed language, and it is going to use the classes and functions, okay, because it's a purely object-oriented programming language. It is okay. Supports object-oriented programming language. Always consists of the other programming languages like C++, C#, okay, Java. It is going to be purely object-oriented programming language. The syntaxes are similar. Okay, loops, conditions are similar to the assignments, and all these things are similar to JavaScript. Differs when you get the functions, classes with the defining the variables. There only it is going to be different. Other than that, everything is going to be same. Okay. So here, let us execute some one or two programs. You can able to see how to write that particular program basically. Okay. The important fact about the PHP is that it is embedded directly in the HTML. Program is directly embeds in the HTML. And one more thing, you have to store the particular program, that is PHP program, by using the extension .php, and always it should start with the less than question mark PHP tag, okay, and close with question mark greater than symbol tag, and any code outside the tag can be enclosed directly out to the client. It means that the programming apart from this what we can say, the PHP, directly this can be a client side programming language. It is okay. So here is a HTML is going to be used, so this directly can be getting executed over here. One thing is that whenever that you are going to use that code, that is PHP code, PHP variables, you should start with that and ends with that. Okay, start with PHP, that is less than question mark and PHP tag, and question mark and greater than symbol have to end. In between that you can able to write the PHP code. Okay, so here is the example. It is going to start with the PHP tag, then $user. So this is what that it has been said in this is definition when you are going to define the variables, that it is going to differ. Okay, so it is going to use $sign, $user equal to Randy Connolly. It is Randy. Okay, closes here. HTML it is HTML body. Okay, H1 welcome to. Here under that HTML only it has been embedded by using this less than question mark PHP. This is a start tag, and it is going to display that echo $user is there, correct? Then semicolon ends with that greater question mark greater than symbol. Everything is embedded in H1. Okay, paragraph closes, the server time. So about the time also it is going to display like this. Okay, so when it is getting executed, it is going to display Randy and the time of that it is going to display. Okay, similar to that only the program is here. Okay, welcome to Randy. This is, you see that this is a HTML program, this is a including HTML, this is a PHP program. It is okay, both are same only. Welcome Randy, the time is going to be displayed. Okay, so as the programming language, it has some comment statements over there. Okay, so these comment statements you can write by using the single line comments. There are multi-line comments, end of line comments. There are three types of comments are there in this. You can see here. Okay, this is single line comment. It is going to be by using the hash sign that you can able to do it, and multi-line comments slash and star, star and slash. Okay, and end of line comments you can able to use by using the double slash. Okay, you can able to see here the double slash when you will be going to use is the end of line comment. Three different types of comments are there. So variables is dynamically typed and is loosely typed. Okay, variables are loosely typed, that the variable can be assigned with the different data types. This is there in the Java, right? var, when you are using there var, here you are using dollar sign. Okay, so whenever that will be going to assign with the dollar sign with the number, so it will become an integer. Now assign with the float, it will become float. With an object, if you will be going to define, it will become an object. Okay, to declare the variable you must prefix, okay, dollar symbol. Example is been here. Okay, dollar count is equals to 42, so it is 42 is stored in count. Okay, there are so many data types are there here. Okay, data type and this kind of boolean is there, integer is there, float, string, array, then object. Okay, these are the different types of data types are going to be available. Okay, these things you know it already. Okay, boolean is true or false, integer whole numbers, float is decimal numbers, string is letters, array is a collection of same data types. Okay, of any data type that it is going to be. Okay, then it is going to be having the objects also. Okay, so we can define even constants also in this, because when you will be going to define the constants, that is not going to vary in the program. Okay, so that it is going, whatever that will be defined, that is going to be similar to way the value is going to be present over there. Now you see that how we will be going to define the constant. Now by using the define function itself, we can define the constant, and it should be in the capital letters. It is being said. So define like this, you have to define it. Define a 10 2. Okay, means a is assigned 10 value, b is assigned with 10 value, 20 value. Okay, and here is a string is there. Okay, greeting is a variable, okay, which is defined with the this value. Okay, now if I am going to just print that one, echo statement if I am going to use. Okay, just I am concatenating the value with the constant here. One thing you should observe in this, when it is being defined with the define function, if it is defined the variable, then that variable are not going to use the dollar symbol. Okay, now here also you can see that I am not use the dollar symbol for a, dollar symbol for b, for the greetings also, but still I am able to get the output. I am able to get the output over here. Okay, the output statements by using the echo statement that you can able to write it. Okay, so that's what it has been written over there. This is a like this also you can define, like this also you can write it. Anyway, that two formats will be there. Echo function that is going to be used for the display of the whatever the form is there. Okay, double quotes, whatever that you will be going to write, that is getting displayed over there. If you are directly writing that variable name, then dollar with the variable name, then it is going to display the value of that. Okay, here is the example for that. Strings are easily appended together using the concatenation operator. Okay, dollar dot it is going to be. Okay, so here it is a word is there. Okay, username is word, hello. Okay, echo is hello dot world. Okay, username is being printed here. So this value of this one world is going to get printed over there. You can see that output hello world. So here the data is being stored over there. This variable is concatenated with the hello, right? So output is going to be hello world. Similarly, here some of the functions are going to be there. We'll see. First name Sri Sai Ram, last name is College of Engineering. So you wanted to concatenate those things. It is possible to concatenate it. Okay, there are two lines are there, both are equivalent. Okay. To say that is equivalent, like this, it has been defined here. Okay, now echo am first name dot. Okay, dot is there here. This is